Hello everyone, I'm Askiriti Rakshaya. Today we are going to look about the geographical indication tag. Geographical indication is a sign that is used on products that have a geographical origin and possess qualities or a reputation that are due to that origin. So in order to get a geographically identified product, it must identify a product that is originating at a given place and should submit proof regarding it. So there are three types of geographical indication. They are protected designation of origin, protected geographical indication, traditional specialty is guaranteed. So now what is protected designation of origin? It means that everything including the raw materials, the culture, the tradition and the process of making that particular product, everything include that is regarding with the manufacturing and selling of that particular product is from a particular origin. So this is protected designation of origin. While protected geographical indication is the products that is required for making all these particular product, will the raw materials will be collected from different area and then accumulated at a certain place. Then that particular product will get a geographical indication under protected geographical indication type. So now what is traditional specialty is guaranteed? Traditional specialty is guaranteed is nothing but the traditional values of that particular product will arise from a origin and hence it gets its GI tag. So what are the conditions to get geographically identified product? The particular product has to relate to the goods, and in some countries it will relate to services also, and the goods or services must originate from a defined area, and the goods or services must have qualities, reputation or any other characteristics that is in relating to that particular origin, and we have to have proof regarding that. What cannot be registered? Any GI tag that is likely to cause any deception, that is confusion, or if the GI tag or the product relating to the GI tag is scandalous or obscene, or it hurts any religious susceptibility, or it leads to a false representation of origin of a place. So in these four conditions, that particular product cannot be categorized as a GI tagged product. So what is the validity of a GI tag? Unlike patents, the validity of a GI tag is only 10 years, but it can be renewed for every 10 years once. And if it is not registered or renewed, the particular product of GI tag will be liable to be removed from the register. So in case of a patent, we call the patent holder as a patentee, while in geographical indication, we call the controller as the authorized person. Authorized person is a person who is registered under section 17 of the Geographical Indication Goods Protection and Registration Act of 1999. He is actually the producer of the good. That is, any producer of that particular good can go and register himself as a person who called as an authorized user. And this registration of an authorized user will be valid for 10 years or till the date of expiration of the geographical indication. So what are the advantages of having a product as a geographical identified product? The advantages are it gives the legal protection from using any unauthorized use or from theft of that particular product, the idea of the product, and it will boost rural development because most of the geographically identified product comes from rural based areas, and hence it will boost the rural development. And the particular product will be, as the product is GI tagged, there is a belief in the society that every GI tagged product is of a good quality, and good quality in turn will increase the value of the product, thereby increasing the economic value of the company. So these are the advantages relating to the geographically identified product. There are certain challenges to this geographical indicated product. They are lack of awareness of rules and regulations. There is no awareness about the rules and regulations relating to the GI tag, and there is a chance of rampant misuse of Indian GIs, and the immigration of labor, that is, the labor force in the rural areas will immigrate into the other places, thereby reducing the labor power in that particular area. So what is the importance of GI? As I said before, in the advantages of the geographically indicated product, it serves as a marketing tool, thereby giving a belief of a good quality product, and thereby it increases the economic value of the product. And this GI identified product will serve as a reputation tool for the company. And this GI tag will be of a particular interest to the developing countries and the nations from all over the world towards this particular GI tag product. So there are certain international conventions relating to these GI. That is, WIPO, World Intellectual Property Organization, is the organization that is responsible over the geographically indication, that kind of patent, that kind of intellectual property. And the agreement signed for GI is Paris Agreement, Madrid Agreement, Lisbon Agreement. There are three agreements that are signed for geographical indication. So, what is the difference between the trademark and a geographical indicating type of intellectual property? Well, is this geographical indication? It arises from a place of origin. Right is enjoyed by a community, and it is given only for goods, and in only in some countries it is given for services also. And there is co-equal rights exist. While in trademark, this comes from a particular company and not from an origin. The right is enjoyed only by an individual and not by a community, and it is given for both goods and services, unlike geographical indication. And in trademark, no two persons can enjoy a right for a single trademark. So these are the main differences between geographical indication and trademark. So case law related to the geographical indication is Tea Board India versus ITC Limited. This case is relating to Darjeeling tea. Darjeeling tea is the first geographically identified product in India, and the notes for this case law is given in the description below. Thank you.